Hi dear students, previous class we solved exercise 7.2. Now we will discuss about exercise 7.3. Before going to exercise, we will go to the theory part, area of triangle. So, what is the area? The region enclosed by a closed figure is called area. So, what is triangle? It is a rectilinear figure bounded by 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Now, you already know in general area of triangle formula is what? Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Height is nothing but altitude. So, if altitude is not given, if height is not given, then how to find the area of the triangle? Here one more new formula. For finding the area of triangle formed by the points are here. A of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2 and c of x3 comma y3. These are the points. A of x1 y1, b of x2 y2 and c of x3 y3 is given by. Therefore, area of triangle, here area of triangle is equal to half in the bracket x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2. It is the formula for finding the area of triangle when altitude is not given. Based on this formula, we can solve the exercise 7.3. So, easy way to remembering the formula is here x1, first x1 1, here 2, here 3, 1 2 3, here 2 3 1, here 3 1 2, after 3 again 1, see 1 next 2, 2 next 3, again 3 next 1 next 2, 2 next 3, here same x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2. Now, we will move to the exercise. Now, exercise 7.3. First problem is find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are the first question here, sub question is first question 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 0 it is 2 comma minus 4. So, here area of triangle only vertices are given. When vertices are given, so say it is A, it is B and it is C. Triangle having 3 vertices. So, name this point as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So, here what is the formula here? Area of for calculating the area of triangle formula is area of triangle is equal to formula half in the bracket x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Half in the bracket x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2. Now substitute the values, you will get the solution. Which is equal to half in the bracket x1 value is what? 2. 2 in the bracket y2 value is 0 minus 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 4 is there, minus minus plus plus x2 value minus 1 plus minus it becomes minus. So I will write minus here. Here x2 value is what? Minus 1. So plus minus 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 1 in the bracket y3 minus y1. y3 value is what here? y3 value is minus 4 minus y1 value 3. Then now plus x3 value is 2 in the bracket y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0, which is equal to half in the bracket 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 2 is 8 minus minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, minus 7 into minus 1 minus minus plus 7, then plus 2 3 is 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 in the bracket 8 plus 7 plus 6, you will get 21, which is equal to 21 by 2 square units. It is the area of the triangle, only this much. In that, in this second main is there, second sub question is there, second one which is similar, do it yourself. Now second main question. Second question, in each of the following find the value of k. Here what is asked? Find the value of k. Find the value of k. K value is asked here. So we can solve. So here in the second question, in that two questions are there. First question is, here what are given? What are given in the bracket 7 comma minus 2, then b in the bracket 5 comma 1, and third 3 comma c in the bracket 3 comma k is 5 comma 1, 5. So for which the points are collinear, here condition is what given in the question, find the value of k for which the points are what? Collinear. Dear students, just think, points are collinear means the points in a straight line, yes or no? The points are in collinear. If the points are collinear, then area is how much? What is the area of triangle? Yes, area of triangle is 0, because here no triangle is formed here, yes or no? So if there is no triangle, then its area is what? 0. Therefore for collinear points area of triangle is equal to what? 0. So now it is x1 y1 x2, y2, x3, y3. So area of triangle formula is what? Area of triangle is equal to formula half in the bracket, yes, x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2. Substitute the values, we will get the value of k. Area of triangle is what here? 0. 0 is equal to 1 by 2 in the bracket. x1 value is 7 in the bracket, y2 minus y3. y2 value is 1 minus y3 value is k plus x2 value is 5 in the bracket, y3 value is k minus y1 value is minus 2 plus 2 plus x3 value is what? 3, y1 value minus 2 minus y2 value is minus 1, only 1, y2 value is 1, so minus 1. Now complete the bracket, this one. 0 is equal to, here 0 is equal to half in the bracket 7 in the bracket 1 minus k, means what will get? 7 1s are 7 minus 7k plus 5 into k 5k plus 5 2s are 10 plus plus 3 in the bracket minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, its value is what? Minus 3. So minus 3 plus minus 3 3s are 9. So now this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 comes to this side, you will get 0. So therefore 0 is equal to 1 by 2 comes to here, it becomes 0. 0 by any number is 0. What remains here? Minus 7k plus 5k will get minus 2k. Then 7 plus 10, 17. 17 minus 9, you will get 8 plus 8. Therefore minus 2k comes to here, it becomes plus 2k is equal to 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are, therefore k is equal to what? 4. This is the required solution. In that second sub question is there, which is similar to previous, so do it yourself. Now problem number 3, third problem. Third problem. So find the area of the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Say here vertices are given here, one triangle vertices are. Vertex of A is 0, minus 1. Vertex of B is 2, 1 and vertex of C are 0, 3. This much given. So here find the area of the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. See here, first I will draw the triangle. It is triangle. Say it is A, B, C. Coordinates of A are 0, minus 1. Coordinates of B are 2, 1 coordinates of C are 0, 3. This much given. So one more area triangle is formed here by joining the midpoints of AB, BC and AC. So see, it is here AB, one more triangle D, E, F. It is one triangle, it is midpoint, it is midpoint. So how to find the coordinates of D, E and F by using midpoint formula? I will find coordinates of D. D is equal to here, D is equal to, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2. Yes or no? Say this point x1, y1, I will write the points x1, x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, x2, y2, it is x3, y3. So for finding the D, midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by y1 plus y2. So what will you get? How will you write? 0 plus 2 divided by 2 comma minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2 is 1, minus 1 plus 1 get 0, 1 comma 0. These are the coordinates of D. Coordinates of D. Now coordinates of E. Coordinates of E is equal to, coordinates of E is 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 1 plus 3 by 2, 1 plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is 1 comma 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2, 1 comma 2 are the coordinates of E. Now coordinates of F is equal to 0 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus 0 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 0 by any number is 0 comma 2 by 2 is 1, 0 comma 1. Now so here F coordinates, coordinates of E are 2 plus 0 by 2, right, 1 plus 3, that is 4, 1 comma 2. Yes. Now we obtained the coordinates of D, E and F. Now first we have to find the areas of these two triangles, then we will take the ratio. Okay. Now area of triangle ABC, first I will calculate the area of triangle, or we can calculate the area of triangle DEF first. So therefore area of triangle it is formed here DEF. Okay, the D coordinates, it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2, it is x3 y3. Therefore area of triangle DEF is equal to, formula is half in the bracket x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2. Substitute the values, you will get the solution. 1 by 2 in the bracket, x1 value 1 comma 1, we are considering the area of triangle DF. x1 value is 1 in the bracket, y2 value is 2 minus y3 value is 1 plus x2 value is 1 in the bracket, y3 minus y1 1 minus 0 plus x3 value is 0 in the bracket, y1 minus y2 y1 0 minus y2, which is equal to 1 by 2 in the bracket, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1 plus 1 1 is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 2, 2 get cancels, which is equal to 1 square unit, 1 square unit. It is the area of triangle DF. Now we will find the area of triangle ABC. So now area of triangle ABC is equal to, area of triangle ABC is equal to, formula, same formula, half in the bracket x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2, which is equal to 1 by 2 in the bracket x1 value. Consider the triangle ABC here. In triangle ABC, x1 value is what? 0. 0 in the bracket, 0 in the bracket, 1 minus 3 plus 2 in the bracket, 3 minus minus plus 1, 3 plus 1 plus 0 in the bracket minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 in the bracket, 0 into any number is 0 plus 2 4 is 3 plus 1 4, 2 4 is 8 plus 0, 2 1 is 2 4 is, which is equal to what? 4 square units. It is the area of triangle ABC. Here what is the required ratio? Therefore ratio is equal to, ratio is equal to what? 1:4. Now problem number 4. Fourth problem here. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in order R. Area of quadrilateral is asked here. Area of quadrilateral, see, it is the quadrilateral. So say it is A, B, C, D. Here vertices are given. A coordinates -4, -2. B coordinates -3, -5. C coordinates are 3, -2, and D coordinates are 2, 3. So find the area of the quadrilateral. How to find the area of the quadrilateral here? Here 4 vertices are given. So we can divide the quadrilateral into 2 congruent triangles here. Join AC. So join AC here. You will get join AC here. You will get these 2 triangles. First find the area of this one, then find the area of this one, then add first area of triangle ABC, area of ABC, you will get something, then area of ADC, you will get some value, then area of quadrilateral, area of ABCD is equal to area of ABC plus area of ADC. You will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So which is similar to previous problem. Do it yourself. Now question number 5. Fifth question, last question of the unit. You have studied in class 9th, chapter number 9, that is example number 3. The median of a triangle divides it into 2 triangles of equal areas. Yes, the median, say here what is median? Say it is triangle. This is known as median. It divides into 2, say it is ABC triangle, AD is the median. It divides the given triangle into 2 equal parts with equal areas. Here we have to verify the result of the triangle ABC whose vertices are. Here ABC triangle is given. Here say it is A, B, C. These vertices are given. Vertices of A are 4, -6. Vertices of B are 3, -2, and vertices of C are 5, 2. So say it is the, so I will name it as D. Here we have to prove area of ABD is equal to area of ACD. So what are the D coordinates here? By using midpoint formula B and C we can calculate the D coordinates. So for finding D coordinates are, so we do not know the value of D. So D is equal to, what is the formula? Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 means here 3 plus 5 divided by 2, comma, -2 plus 2 by 2, you will get 8 by 2, 0 by 2, which is equal to 8 by 2 is 4. The coordinates of D are 4, 0. I will write the coordinates of D are 4, 0. Now consider these 2 triangles here. Now consider these 2 triangles. So first area of, which is similar to previous problems. In this exercise all problems are similar problems. So therefore area of triangle A D B is equal to, by using the formula we can solve the area, and also similarly area of ADC, area of triangle ACD is equal to, you will get something both result will be same, both result will be same, then you have to write the therefore statement here. Therefore area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle ACD. We have to verify this one in this way. So by using the formula half in the bracket x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3, using this we can solve, then we can verify, which is similar to previous problems. Do it this one also. So the remaining part will discuss in next class. This is the completion of coordinate geometry. Thank you dear students.